Yeah, we can see.
Okay, here as of now, we can directly enter the sales invoice, then directly you can, what we say, acknowledge the expense as well here. Okay, as of now, I have created one services and I have created one expense called transportation, which is billable. Okay, so 20 is billable. So this will be going to the expense and this will be going to the income account. Once you raise the P&L, so you can directly see it from here for the particular period. It's not approved, right? Once you mark as sent, then only it will be appearing in the reports. Okay.
Yeah, that understood.
Yeah, this is how it will be getting. Okay. The 12 will be sales and the consulting expense will be this. So this is the balance. Like this, it will be showing in the reports. Okay. For the TP, P&L, all this stuff, it will be going like this.
And format for the.
Yeah, can you say it again? It's got stuck. Yeah, it's got stuck. Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah, so I'm saying this is a standard format for the P&L.
Yeah, standard format for the PA. Yeah, fine.
Okay, if I need like a department wise or then.
Yeah, you have an option. As I said, I will just show you. I'll just show you how. Okay. As of I have created one reporting tax for a business wise. Okay. I need the types of business like you said. You want the tax in the department wise, so you can directly customize according to your department in the P&L laws. Okay. So I will apply this reporting tag, whether this type of business, all these things, you can directly apply for the particular invoice. Here you can directly apply for the reporting tax option for the particular business. For a cost center like the tally cost center, you can directly have an option to apply here whether this is a distribution job, so you can directly have it and directly save it. So I'll just do from the existing documents itself once again. So in this also you have an option to record these types of business, like whether this type of project, all this stuff you can be entered here.
But I can't do this with the each entry time, right? I'm having like 500 or 1000 entries. I will not do each entry like business, right? So I can just directly the expenses itself assign to the specific
Project or
group of
specific wills, right?
a specific group of sales like department.
There is no, it's not possible for each, but if you are entering for each invoice, you can directly map like this. Existing invoice, I'll just show you. Okay, like this way, it can be directly done. Okay, for the existing group of sales, all these things it can be done. But if you are creating one item, you can directly map that item with the group of thing or group of what we say, the group of items. Here you can directly select the account for the whether this is a sales, whether this is an purchase. You can directly map that as well. So it will be directly affecting to that accounting nominal only. Okay, you need to map it, then only it will be easy to find it. Hope you got it.
Okay. For example, the distribution like sales you make it, right?
Yeah.
So all the expenses regarding to distribution, for example, transportation, petrol, anything. This all expenses directly I just connect to the distribution.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. So there is no way to automate that. It's only way to what we say. You can directly map that reporting tag with that particular invoice or particular expense like that. It's manually done like this. If you are paying some sort of fuel expense for the particular distribution, you can directly get the, just check it once again. So here we have an option to tag the distribution. So it should be manually done. There is no option to automate it.
Okay, question number 2. I can make the group for the expenses.
Yeah, group for the expenses,
Like
right?
I said, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, then I can just like assign group to group.
Okay. So in the P&L, if you want to get that profit and loss for the particular, what we say, that particular reporting tag, you can directly get it from here. Business reporting tag is distribution. So the distribution related thing will be coming. This sales, this 200 relation, all the things will be getting. So this will be getting the profit and loss for the, after getting the operating expense for the particular thing.
So it will not show like distribution this much, production this much, and the total this much.
Yeah. Like this. Sales, cost of goods sold minus operating expense will be getting the total profit and loss for the particular thing.
No, this is for the distribution only, right?
Yeah.
Now I'm saying distribution, production, and total.
There
In the
it's
one
not
sheet.
possible. That it's not possible. Okay, once you, what we say, I came to know you need to have that distribution this much, then production this much, then this is the net loss or net profit, like that. No, so it won't be coming.
Okay.
So I'll just start with the banking. Okay. I have already created on business banking here. Okay. I have already created on business banking here. Once again. So from the bank, you can directly have an import statement. You can directly make the sample CSV. Then you can directly import like Zoho or QBooks. Okay. I'll just show you.
Okay.
Is the screen visible in the Excel?
Excel, no.
One second.
Sample, no, we can't do it.
Yeah, can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay. This is the format. Okay. This is the date and the withdrawal, all the bank withdrawal, all the deposit, all the things it can be directly done. Okay. I'll just save it. And I can directly open it and I can directly this date format is must. As I have entered 17 first is the day, second is the month, third is the year. So I need to map that in the Zoho Books. Then only it will be easy to get it done. Once again, I just share the screen for Zoho Books. Can you see it now? Yeah.
Yes. Date month here.
Date dash. This is the format. You can directly click the next, so it will be directly importing. So this is how the bank transaction can be imported. So by clicking each transaction, you can directly what is the categorize whether this is relevant. So you can directly have whether this is insurance. So you can directly mark to the insurance mark module.
Here.
Okay. You can directly create one rule. Okay, whether this is this contains so and so. If you have any 200 or 300 transaction like Zero, you can directly create the rules with the description or with this amount it belongs to so and so nominal. You can directly create it. If I am creating, if it's an insurance in the reference or description, create the rule name insurance, save the rule like this. You can directly create it. Okay, whenever so the reference or the description came like insurance, it will be directly asking you to match the transaction. It belongs to insurance so and so. Okay, this will just do the banking entries, and you have an option to reconcile here. Here, just clicking here, you can directly what we say reconcile the account for particular period. So just click the reconcile, you just end the start date so and so. The amount is 500 or 600. You can directly start reconciliation. So you can directly able to check the transaction whether this is available bank reconciliation. You can directly and then you can directly have a reconciliation. Then attach the bank statement for your reference as well. Okay. Hope you understood this much, right?
Yeah.
Most of.
Is there any flaws in Zoho Books? Cons. Is there any disadvantages?
I will have to start using it, then I can tell more, but
yeah,
it's okay, right?
Okay. Can we have the balance in next session?
Balance in?
Next session.
Yeah.
Can you please tell me when?
I will inform you. I will chat you for that.
Okay. So now I'll just go with the VAT and then accountant what we say. If you are paying the salary for the next entries, I'll just give you the journal entries for you, and I